I just bought the $35,000 Tesla Model 3, and like any tech-savvy millennial, I ordered it online without ever seeing it in person or taking it for a test drive. Here's how it happened. While browsing YouTube, I stumbled upon a video announcing the arrival of Tesla's $35,000 Model 3. Curious, I opened up a new tab and visited Tesla's website. Now I often spec out cars online just for fun, never intending to buy one. But this time was different. The base price of the standard range Model 3 is indeed $35,000. However, for an additional $2,000, you can get 20 extra miles of range, a higher top speed, power-adjusted seats, a premium interior, and an upgraded audio system. This seemed like a worthwhile upgrade. Next, I explored the color options. Any color other than black costs up to $2,500 more. Being budget-conscious, I chose black. The 19-inch wheels are an extra $1,500, which I decided to skip. For the interior, black is standard, while white costs an extra $1,000. Worried about keeping white clean, I stuck with black. Then came the autopilot option for $3,000. This feature allows the car to stay in its lane and keep pace with traffic, a must-have for anyone who appreciates convenience. Full self-driving capability is an additional $5,000, including features like highway navigation and summoning the car. But I figured I could handle those tasks myself. After configuring my Tesla Model 3, the total came to $40,000. So much for the $35,000 car. It felt like a classic bait and switch. However, Tesla's website also displayed a price of $29,450 after estimated savings. How does a $40,000 car come down to $29,450? Firstly, the car qualifies for a $3,750 federal tax credit until June 30th, 2019. If you pay enough in federal taxes, you can receive this amount when you file your tax return. In California, there's also a $2,500 electric vehicle rebate, which means the state will send you a check upon proof of purchase. Tesla also includes estimated gas savings over 6 years, amounting to about $4,300. While this would apply to any electric car, it's a significant factor if you're comparing it to a gas-powered vehicle. Excluding gas savings and focusing on the rebates, the car's price is $33,750 for a new Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus with autopilot. Feeling impulsive, I decided to go for it. I placed the order and received a confirmation picture of a lemur. The entire experience was seamless. No dealership visits, no haggling, and no sales calls. It was as easy as clicking Buy Now on Amazon. Initially, I planned to pay cash, but Tesla offered 100% financing for 72 months at a 3.75% interest rate. Considering I could earn a better return investing the cash elsewhere, I chose to finance. I applied and got approved within 10 hours. My total out-of-pocket cost was $4,437, $0.1, covering sales tax, license fee, and registration. Then came the waiting game. A week passed with no updates from Tesla. Checking my account daily felt like being a kid waiting for a Christmas present. Online forums weren't much help either, as nobody had clear answers about delivery times. 14 days after placing the order, Tesla updated the delivery date to March 29th, 1 month after ordering and 2 weeks longer than expected. It felt like a typical overestimate to encourage orders. But hey, it worked. Finally, the day arrived, and I picked up my 2019 Tesla Model 3. I couldn't find any flaws except that the driver's side door required a firm slam to close properly. Other than that, the car was perfect. The pickup experience was impressive. It felt like walking into a high-tech, minimalist Apple store. Everything was efficient and well-organized. This experience made me rethink the necessity of physical car dealerships. Online purchasing is becoming the norm, and for many, it's more convenient and cost-effective. So how did I manage to get this car for just $78 per month? Because I financed 100% of the car, my initial out-of-pocket costs were for taxes, insurance, and registration, totaling $4,437. 01. The monthly car payment is $640, amounting to $7,680 per year. Including the initial costs, the total for the first year is $12,117. 01. However, I will receive $2,500 from California's EV rebate program and $3,750 from the federal tax credit. This brings my total first-year cost down to $5,867. 01. Additionally, since I bought the car for business use, I can write off the $1,438 in financing interest and the $4,437. 01 in taxes, license, and registration fees. I can also depreciate the car's value by about $8,200 in the first year. These tax write-offs save me approximately $4,925, reducing my effective first-year cost to just $78.39 per month. Considering the majority of the $640 monthly payment goes toward the principal, and I'm leveraging my money at a low interest rate to invest elsewhere, this car is essentially free. My actual out-of-pocket cost for owning the car is $78.39 per month for a brand new Tesla Model 3. To top it all off, I surprised my dad by showing up with the car. His reaction was priceless, completely shocked and thrilled. We took it for a spin, and he loved it. The entire experience, from purchase to delivery, was exceptional. In conclusion, buying a Tesla online was a game-changer. It's a glimpse into the future of car buying, where convenience and efficiency take center stage. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe for more insights and personal finance tips. Thanks for watching.